In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on Auto Relist in the eBay Seller Hub. If you're an eBay seller and want to save time by having your listings automatically relist if they don't sell, this is the feature for you. Let's walk through the process step by step to get you set up in no time. First, head over to the eBay website. Open up your preferred web browser and type in eBay's URL. Once you've arrived on the home page, direct your attention to the top corner of the page. This is where you'll find the sign in option. Click on it and enter your eBay login credentials to access your account. It's important that you're signed into the account where your listings reside, so double check this before proceeding. Once signed in, look to the top right corner where you'll see My eBay, hover over this and a drop-down menu should appear. Choose Selling from this list. Clicking on this will take you straight into your Seller Hub. Now that you're in the Seller Hub, you want to focus on locating your active listings. So look for an option that says Active and click it. This will present a list of all the items you currently have for sale. If you're familiar with this view, you're on the right track because this is where the magic happens. Now, let's assume you already have a listing in there. What you want to do next is choose the listing you wish to apply the Auto Relist feature to. Click on the checkbox next to the item and then hit Edit. If you're managing multiple listings, it's just as easy. Select all the listings you want to edit. eBay makes bulk editing a breeze. Within the editing screen, scroll down until you find the Selling Details section. This is where you'll configure your Auto Relist settings. Look for an option titled Auto Relist or similar. Depending on your listing type, eBay allows you to automatically relist your item up to a certain number of times or even until it's canceled. Choose the option that best suits your selling strategy. Once you've made your selections, it's vital to finalize these changes. Click on Submit or Revise Listing to make sure your edits are saved. This sends your instructions to eBay to automate the relisting process according to your preferences. Finally, return to the Active Listings section just to verify everything is set up correctly. Check if the relist option is now showing as enabled for your item. Congratulations! You've successfully set up Auto Relist on eBay. This is a handy feature that keeps your items live without requiring constant manual updates. Remember, using Auto Relist can help maximize the exposure of your items and streamline your selling process on eBay. Thanks for following along and happy selling!